Alright guys, today I'm going to fix the issue. It's getting worse and worse and worse. And my Ford F350, I had an F250, it was doing the same thing. And I had an F150, well I had two F250s that were doing the same thing. And I had an F150 that also did this. And the F350, I bought it, it was kind of doing it. But now it's doing it more and more frequently. Whereas the truck will not start. And what I'm talking about is the gear selector problem. You guys can see I can't get it to go up any farther, and it will not start. Sometimes I can hold it up. I'm trying to pop the phone up. I'm trying to hold it up now, and nothing won't go up farther enough now. So it's gotten to the point of no return, but I can't go in neutral. Started. So time to address this issue. If I don't have my plow down, this thing will roll back, and I almost hit somebody. Lady property I was plowing, and she came. Her car was behind. Her car was behind the truck, and I put it in park to get out and talk to her, and it kept rolling. She's like, "Oh, the truck is rolling," and luckily she was in reverse and she backed out the way. You know, we made a joke out of it, but it could have been bad. So I'm about to address this right now. It shouldn't require much to fix at all. Flat blade screwdriver, even if you're in some coins, a dime or a nickel will fit in here. A dime or a penny will fit in here, a quarter maybe. So let's get us a couple tools, flathead screwdriver, and pull this pan off. Let's see what we got on this one. All right. So just want to get I got a stubby flathead screwdriver. We're shooting in 4K. Remove that one, this one, and this one. The panel just pops right off. Now our problem is underneath here. So we gotta get my little light. Let me hold the camera. Either I'm gonna have a screw that fell out, guys, or something's loose. In a column shifter bracket. Okay. It looks like both screws are in place. So let's see what's going on. Oh, that's our problem. It's loose. So look at that. The bolt is loose. That holds this bracket in place. You can see as I move it, you can actually see the column moving. So normally I expect the screw to be missing out of here, but that's not the case. So I believe there's some Torx T25 or Torx T30. I'll find out in a minute. Just got to tighten those up. Tighten them up in that bracket. Glad I didn't lose a screw because I had to go to the junkyard and find another one. Replace it. That same screw. I like to put things back the same. So we're going to tighten it down. Let me get a Torx something and see which one it is. I think it's a Torx 30. Okay, guys. It's a T27 Torx. Got these long magnetic ones. Got the short ones. It's a nice little kit, guys. You should buy one of these. They're less than 10 bucks. These are great to have. They got magnetic tips. If you do got bits you want to magnetize them, these are also great tools. This magnetizer and demagnetizer, what you gotta do is just take your tool and kind of go back and forth with it inside of the magnetizer, and maybe 10 times, just back and forth 10 times, and it'll magnetize it. Very easy. And if you want to demagnetize it, do the same thing at the top part. I'm also going to use some thread lock. I'm going to remove them and use some thread lock. I'm going to remove one at a time and use some thread lock, and I'll show you guys that, so I won't have to worry about that problem anymore. Put some thread lock on them. You want to get this, guys. This is the best, because this thread lock also allows you to remove them. It's high strength, but it also allows you to remove the bolts fairly easy. T25 work. It's kind of loose, but the T27 works perfect. Fits perfect. So we're gonna remove it, put some thread lock on it, and place it right back in there. Okay guys, we got some thread lock on it. We're gonna reinstall it right now. I'm gonna tighten this one all the way down. Okay, as tight as it can go. Let's remove the other one. Okay guys, we got this one coated. Some thread locker, let's get it up there. Get it started, got the thread lock on it. Let's get back in there and tighten it up. As tight as it can go. Check this one more time. As tight as both of them can get, guys. We're all good now. Okay. Before we reattach the panel, let's see where we at. Starts right up. Okay. Oh, it's much better now. I want every gear perfect. Perfect now. It's firm now. It's so much more firmer now, guys. It hasn't felt this way since I owned the truck. It still has to be a little bit more adjusted. It still has to be a little bit more adjusted. There's a cable on here for the adjusted. I'm probably gonna do that right now too, but it's back. Starting up. All right. Okay, guys. You see right now. Let's adjust it really quick. This is probably good, but to adjust it, it's here. Super easy and simple. There's a cable here that attaches to the shifter. All you have to do is turn in. The more you pull out, so you guys can see it moving. It's going away from park. When I twist clockwise, counterclockwise, allows it to go back towards the park. So counterclockwise sends it towards park, clockwise sends it towards reverse. So I think we're good there. All right, guys, we're done. Pop the panel back on. Don't need to show that, but just wanted to show you guys how easy this is. Hope you guys found this video helpful. Subscribe to the channel. Terrence, I'm out.